Hello everyone, welcome to Triang Manmoji channel. Today I am going to write 20 words starting with letter C. So let's start. Call, C-A-L-L, call. Cake, C-A-K-E, cake. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Clap, C-L-A-P, clap. Clay, C-L-A-Y, clay. Close, C-L-O-S-E, close. Come, C-O-M-E, come. Cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Cash, C-A-S-H, cash. Cup, C-U-P, cup. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. City, C-I-T-Y, city. Cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Child, C-H-I-L-D, child. Crab, C-R-A-B, crab. Chin, C-H-I-N, chin. Color, C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Cave, C-A-V-E, cave. Catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. Cycle, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Thank you friends. If you like my video then do subscribe. Thanks for watching.